What's up, YouTube? So today we got an interesting one. Took my wife's Escalade for a little ride last weekend, and we found that the thing was bouncing like a bouncy house. So I want to show you something that I've never seen before in these things, but it may help you. So get the shock right there, and it's separated. Let's see. Fun times. Now, I changed the rears on this thing right when I lowered it. They were locked up solid, so when you would hit like a bump, this thing would like ride like a 18-wheeler. Like, it was like really rough ride. And it was good. I checked the fronts. The fronts were good. No really weird errors or anything on the suspension monitor on the dashboard. So yeah, I don't know how long she's been driving around like this, but totally unacceptable. So we got some springs right here, and we're gonna be popping them in today. I'm in my work sandals, so should be nice and safe. So let's get into it. Hopefully the landscaping around there isn't too annoying. We're gonna start off with a deep, let's see, 15, 3 of them over here. Boom, boom. You're gonna pull these clips off that hold the wires on the studs, and we'll go from there. Might need my stool for this one. Oh, that was disappointing. They're quite a bit loose. So they look, I thought they looked like original shocks, but who knows? Yeah, wow. Wow, that's zero effort to loosen those up. So loose, it's ridiculous. Add these to the bolt collection. Okay, a little messy looking under here, so I'm hoping that I could just pull these two and contort it enough. I may have to loosen the sway bar link, wherever that is right there, but I may be able to sneak it out, so let's see what happens. all set. Changed both sides. Running good now. Riding awesome, like brand new. No more bottoming out. I think it sits a couple inches higher in the front now too. Notice the valance wasn't scraping pulling into the driveway, so needs a wash pretty bad, but it is what it is. That's running theme here with the cars. So next up, I'll be doing some body work on this. Sand some stuff down. Maybe replace the lower part of the quarters. But that's for another time. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and enjoy your Memorial Day weekend.